Now we start with daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, we have nothing. The only things we want to see how long we will be within this correction and how big this one can be. If we move to the forward chart, okay, based on forward chart, as we can see, we have this move down. This is a correction. Okay, we want to see what's this. Okay, and what I mean, if you want to look for buy, the best things is maybe the price can correct here. We get one more drop, then we will have this one in relative to this as a flat. Then from there we can look for buy. How deep it can go, it depends. Okay, that means if the price we get one more drop, then easily we can get the from there we can get the trade setup. Okay, but if the price continue from here, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup. How about if the price continues similar to what I draw here, corrective? Then for sure the price can drop. And I mean, when I say for sure, it's mostly okay. This is what we think. Okay. By the way, what I want to say, if the price drop one more, then from there we can get better trade setup to look for buy. And as you can see, what we have here, and the price broke the top. And if how about the indicators? If we put this one in relative to this, we see what we have it divergence. Okay, just simply because of this sharp move. Okay, that's why the best is let the price drop one more to confirm the correction before we look for buy. And if I move to 1 hour chart, okay, first of all, we refer to my last analysis when the price was here. We mentioned we're looking for buy setup, but we didn't get any trade setup. Okay, and the another things I mentioned, if we want to get the another option was to have entry above this. I mentioned that it depends on the traders, but when we see the price drop this much, because what we were talking was about the only small correction. When the price dropped this much and break this low, as we can see the price broke the low, then having entry above is not a valid. Okay, and we shouldn't be in this trade. That's why I say who have anyone have experience, they should trade, because when they see this kind of the move, then having entry above the top is not valid. The question is what's the next, whether this is the start of the up move, or we can expect one more times to price to drop before we get the up move. Okay, for me, if I want to trade, still we can expect this one can go move a bit higher to give this one. Then if the price drop, then I get this correction in relative to this, then any buy from there I will be really interested. But if the price continue from here, okay, how we want to trade, whether have entry above this or this, it depends on the traders. Okay, but for me, uh, the best things I prefer the price drop before I take the trade. And I'm not going to trade this. Okay, I will wait to see what we will get here, how this one can move, whether give a slow move, I mean a corrective, or we give a sharp move. Anyway, I think the best thing is to wait and to see how this part can form before we take the trade. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and we just follow the chart. If I see any trade that can confirm the up move, then I will share. Thanks.